Hello sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video I have a project share and tutorial for you for the heart gift bag. So what I have right here in front of me is the gift bag die, and I will go over the dies that you will receive in this set. You're going to get this heart front of the bag. It has a heart cut out. And as you can see, there's stitching all around this die, and you're going to cut one of those. Then you get this, which is your back of your gift box, and you're going to cut one of these, and it does have stitching. So this does not have any layering dies, so pick a sturdy cardstock for that. You're going to have your end dies for your box. You're going to need to cut 2. This is the flap for your box. You'll need to cut 1. And then you get a heart cutout that you use to trim your window. So that is that die. And then the other dies that I used for my project were, I'm going to just put this over this side here, was this one is called the purse strap bundle. So I used this piece right here, which is almost like a rickrack looking piece. So I cut one of those out. This is an oldie but goodie. This is the heart cutout scalloped bow. And I used this, which is the rose petal flowers. Now, I will have links to these dies in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop should I inspire you with my creations. You can also use Carol 10 at checkout for your order. And my links are affiliate links, and it doesn't cost you anything extra to use them. They just help me and my channel. So before I show you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So here you see the let me get this right. I gotta memorize these. The heart gift bag. And it's just adorable. I like the little window. So if you put candy in here, you will see it. You can put any kind of thing that you want in here. Bracelets, jewelry maybe, some beads, what have you. But this is a cute little gift box. And it opens like this. And you can see you got lots of room inside. And it just tucks in like that to hold it nice and closed. And you can see this is the handle that I put on it by using the purse handle bundle. I did have this little tag and happy wishes in my stash that I used. It's an old die. I'm not even sure if that is available. But if you have the scalloped tags from Scrap Diva, I'm sure that this will work as well. And of course, these are the rose petal flowers, and these are just some butterflies also from my stash. You can use anything that you have. The paper for this one is from a pad of paper from Recollection, and it is called Antoinette, and it is no longer available. And the other, this one here, right here, the pink one, this is some cardstock from Joann's, and it's called Coordinations. I'll show it to you. Joann's always has this. It's called the Light Pink Small Dot 377895, and it's from American Crafts. And you can get this. The last time I bought that, it was like, I don't know, I think it was 6 for $3, something like that. So that's what I used for this particular one. And it came out really cute. I love these. These are these would be really nice for Mother's Day with gifts in them. So let's go ahead and make one of these. So I'm going to pull this into view for you. I did do a few things ahead of time. So my butterfly die has a backing and then it has a cutout. So I did my backing in gold and my butterfly in a cutout, and I layered it. And I have 2 of them for my gift box. Also made my bow and put a rose petal flower. This is the small rose petal flower in the center. And then I have 2 medium rose petal flowers, and I just stuck a leaf on the back of there ready to go. Here is my trim for my window right here. And we can go ahead and put that on right now while we are showing you what we have. So I just put a little bit of glue back there, and I put this on my window for trim. And you don't have to use gold, you can use whatever you like for your trim on your paper. And this is also from the Antoinette paper collection. And here's my little tag with my happy wishes on it. The pink gingham paper that I use for coordinating with this is some paper that I created, so it's not available for purchase anywhere. So let me do my second thing that I forgot to do before I started this video, is I'm going to cut a little square to put behind the heart. So I saved my hearts, and I'm just going to cut a little square to put in that window. So I'm just going to use this for a little template. And I might use that heart on something else, some other project. So I'm going to glue this to the back before we start putting this together. And I'm just going to put that over there. All right. Now, you want to make sure, I scored mine a little bit, but you don't want to fold on the stitching line. You want to fold on that line that is embossed into the designer paper. So you might have to go over it with a little score with your scoreboard and make sure that you score it so you're not folding on the stitching line. So that's what I did already, and I also folded this piece back as well. Now we're going to attach the back, which is this piece, and it's stitched around the outside, and you don't have to fold anything on that. And I'm going to put some glue down on this little flap. And then we're going to put the wide part up against here and line it up. And I like to fold it up to make sure that I have it all the way to the fold line before I move on to the next portion of this. It's going to come up a little bit. Okay. So now we have this portion of it made, and we're going to do the ends. So you have a score line here to push this back, and then on either side. I'll just use my bone folder to get it nice and flat. And then to close your box, you'll see that you have a line to right there. So we're just going to fold this in up to that line, just like that. And then I take this portion and fold it and fold it. so that when this is attached, your box will fold in on itself right there. So we are going to put that, I'm going to put some glue here, and we're going to put that right against here. And I'm just going to make sure that I have it straight on the line. And I do. And I'm going to do the same thing for this side. So you fold back these tabs. So this would be a great little gift box for a bridal shower. They make up very quickly, so you could do quite a few. I know I'm going to be having a baby shower, and you might be seeing these again. I think our baby shower is going to be a plain theme, so an airplane theme. So this would be really cute with an airplane on it. So if I decide to use this as my gift box, I will come back and share that with you. And I have some old Cricut cartridges. I still have my Cricut Expression, and I was looking the other day to see what I had for plain images, and I was happy to see that I have a cartridge that has planes on it. So all right, so now I got the little closure part of this box, and it has 2 score lines to fold on, and I am going to also attach that right here while I'm at it. And then we're going to fold this up. So we got almost everything ready. I'm also looking forward to doing the snail mini album. I found some snails. I found that I have some snails. Isn't that great? So I'll be sharing that with you. All right, so we're going to fold this up. It's a little awkward right now. Let's go ahead and put the glue right here, and then place that right on there like that. And I like to take my bone folder and run it along there. Make sure it's lined up. And we'll do the other side. Nice and lined up. I'll take my bone folder inside. Make sure it sticks. And then we'll do this side. And then all we have to do is decorate it, really. I'll work on this side. Okay, and as you can see, when you fold it this way, the sides fold in nicely. Now, before I tuck this in, I'm going to show you, I cut my designer paper a 1/2 inch, and then I cut this purse handle bundle, this one right here, and I glued it on the top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my thumb and just for about 1/2 inch, 3/8 to 1/2 inch, fold that over like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. This is the perfect size for this box, so I don't have to cut anything off. And what I'm going to do is I am going to glue this right here like this. And you can see it fits there perfectly. So I'll put some glue on this side, and then we're going to put it here and fold it over and hold it so it sticks. And the same thing for this side. Just like so. All right, and then we're going to take this and we're going to tuck it into the front portion of the gift box. And it usually does go down there pretty easy. But you can see that I'm struggling right now. Here we go. There we go. We got it in there. All right, perfect. So at this point, I am going to put my bow that I created on the front. And we're going to center it right there. It's so cute. And then we have a couple flowers. Put some hot glue on that, and I'm going to put that one right there. I'm going to put this one like this. Isn't that coming along pretty? And we're going to do our 2 butterflies. So we have lots of pretty embellishments on here. I'm going to turn it like that to give it some interest. And we're going to put this one right here. And then we're going to take the little tag, which you can write a name on the back or just leave it Happy Wishes. And we're going to tie it onto the handle. So as you can see, this is a really quick and easy project. And you can make a lot of them. Once you get your bows and your butterflies and your flowers all prepared, you can make a lot of these. So like I said, it would be great for a bridal shower, baby shower. All right, so I'm just going to turn that a little bit like that. And there we have our heart gift box. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. So thank you for joining me. And remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.